Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make miso soup recipe. Start by making a clear dashi stock, then measure miso paste and prepare tofu and seaweed. Keep miso out of a rolling boil to preserve flavor and probiotics. Taste and adjust seasoning with more miso or a splash of soy sauce. Finish with green onions and serve immediately for the best warm, comforting experience. In this video, I will explain how to make miso soup recipe. Gather kombu and bonito flakes for traditional dashi, or use instant dashi for convenience. Select white miso for a mild sweet soup, or red miso for a stronger, saltier profile. Cube soft tofu and hydrate wakame just before use to keep it tender. Slice green onions thinly and add at the end for fresh color and aroma. In this video, I will review how to make miso soup recipe. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you want a little mood boost after cooking, pick up Little Tree's black ice to keep the drive home smelling fresh and fun. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so we can make more helpful guides. See the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to make miso soup recipe. Begin by slowly heating kombu in water and remove it before the water boils, then steep bonito flakes and strain. Return clear dashi to low heat and dissolve miso paste using a ladle or fine sieve to prevent clumps. Gently warm cubed tofu and rehydrated wakame in the broth, keeping temperature below boiling to preserve delicate miso flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.